Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by clearing the space and taking out any detachable parts so you can work on bare metal. This saves time and prevents damage. Next, put on gloves, eye protection, and an N95 mask because rust particles are hazardous. Then, using a wire brush, remove flaky rust aggressively. Follow with 80 grit sandpaper to level pits and 120-220 grit to smooth. Once done, wipe with a clean rag and inspect for deep corrosion before treatment. You now convert and stabilize what's left. Apply a rust converter to chemically neutralize iron oxide. Make sure the surface stays wet for the full dwell time stated on the label. After conversion, rinse or wipe with the recommended solvent and dry completely. Use a hair dryer or space heater for trapped moisture. Next, sand the treated area smooth. If you find deep pits, fill with metal filler, cure, and sand flush. Once uniform, clean with a solvent-wetted rag. You finish by applying a metal primer designed for corrosion resistance. Spray or brush on 1-2 thin coats, allowing brief flash times between coats so nothing drips. Then apply a rust-inhibiting top coat in 2 even coats, keeping ambient temperature between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius for proper curing. Once cured, reinstall shelves and hardware and move the cupboard to a low humidity spot. If rust returns or shows through, make sure you removed active rust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.